guys, it's Liddy here, and today I'm putting a small video together of what I've been working on in the shop today. I know I am in a different area. I'm actually in my house right now because I just had a couple videos that I filmed outside in the shop. Now I'm editing them and putting them together for you guys. So let's get started and I'll show you guys what I was working on today. So the first thing I want to mention is the first part of this video is actually a TikTok because I filmed most of it on TikTok and then later decided to make this YouTube video. So this first intro part is just a TikTok that I put together, and then the rest of it is mostly time lapses. So let's jump right into the videos. And if you guys want to see these videos before an actual YouTube video comes out, I do post on TikTok a lot now. It's really convenient for me just to put a little video together for you guys on what I'm making and then let you guys see what I'm doing. So let's go right into the videos and hope you guys like it. Using some scrap wood to make some bottle cap openers. Right now I'm probing X, Y, and Z for that piece, and then I will flatten these and then cut them out. So each file takes about 3 minutes to cut out to do the pockets and cut out the profile, and I'm using an 1/8" bit so that I can get the little holes for the magnets so I don't have to pre-drill those with the drill press. But as you can see, it is cutting out here super fast, and this is how this one turned out. And then I will add the magnets in with some super glue, just super easy. I add the glue and then hammer it in. I've added the magnets. So once the rest of them were done on the CNC, I put a small round over on just the front side. I like the other side to be flat. I think it just looks a little better. And then here I'm marking out where I need to drill some holes. I can't do this on the CNC because the 1/16" bit is too big. I just need a tiny hole, and I'm going to pre-drill that on the drill press here, but it's easier for me to mark out, so I make sure they're in the correct spot. And then you can see I just pre-drill them here. I'm just doing a little bit, just something so that the screw has something to grab onto. And then I sand all of these like this. I like to sand the end grain ones like I do cutting boards. And then I add some mineral oil on it. This just makes it easy to add a finish, and I don't really need to wait for dry time. And then finally I assemble the actual bottle cap opener part on it with these screws. There we have it. They're all finished. They all turned out really great. Nice and beautiful colored wood. All the magnets work and everything. They are available on my Etsy store. I just listed these 4, so get them while they last. They are on discount right now until February 1st. So that's how I make my bottle cap openers. Like I said, they are on sale right now on Etsy, so please go check out my Etsy. I am putting new products on there all the time, and sometimes when I make one-offs like this, these special designs, I always add them to my listings as well. So just go to my bottle cap listing and then those will be on there as an option. So I also made some videos of making cutting boards. Now these aren't step-by-step like this last bottle cap was, but these I just did a couple videos on making end grain cutting boards, so I'm going to throw those in here and hopefully you guys enjoy those as well. As always with a cutting board, after I glue up, I always plane it down just in case the wood isn't all the same level. And then here I use my crosscut sled and cut these to 1 1/4". I like to set that height because I like to keep it around that thickness, and I know I will lose a little bit, so 1 1/4" is what I shoot for. And I had some of these solid boards here that I glued up from scraps, so I wanted to incorporate that as well. And then here you can see I'm figuring out the design, and I sand each side with the drum sander to make sure it is ready for the glue up. And then here I organize it one more time on the clamps and then add a bunch of glue. Now I want to make sure I have a whole lot of glue, lots of squeeze out, so that I have everything sealed up and clamped together so that there's no cracks or gaps or anything once the board is completely finished. So I just clamp it up here, usually wipe off some glue. And here's a different board. This was a board that I didn't film, but I was adding some handles after I added a juice screw on the 180 CNC machine. It's really awesome that I can add these thick handles here. And then here is that board as well, and I'm adding some oil too. You can see I did add some juice screws. This is about 11 3/4 by 8 3/4 in size. It is a pretty decent size, not huge, but not really small. It is just a nice board that I threw together using a bunch of scraps. I like to make these boards occasionally just to get rid of scraps to make something beautiful. And now that I have the CNC, I can make them even better with juice screws and handles. So this is just plain mineral oil. I buy it at Walmart. It's super cheap, and it just makes the boards look beautiful and safe to use your food on. Obviously, you want that with the cutting board. So this is the board that we made today. So that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed just the short clips that I filmed today. Please let me know if you like this kind of thing. Let me know in the comments below if you think I should make something else and show it off. And please do go check out my TikTok. Again, it's just super easy for me to film a short video and show you guys what I'm making. And luckily today I just decided to put it all into a YouTube video as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. I do have some videos coming. I have a couple lasers I will be reviewing. I've just been working in the shop trying to get things cleaned up a little bit better before I start shooting videos again. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Please, again, go check out my Etsy. There's a lot of things on there, and if you don't see something that you'd like, just message me, and I always can make whatever you need. So, again, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video here soon. Bye.